Happy Friday the 13th, everyone. So if you get our emails, then you know today we released 5 new multi-layered tumbler toppers. And I thought I would hop on real quick and just show you how easy it is to assemble them. So all you need to do is remove the protective coating. And if you're not sure if something has a protective coating, when you push on it with your finger or your fingernail, there's resistance to it. It's kind of got a mush to it. But if you push on it, let me get this out. If you push on acrylic that does not have a protective coating, your fingernail just slides across it. It won't grab anything. That's the easiest way to tell if it's got one on there. And this one does. I'll go ahead and leave the back since I'm going to be gluing. I learned my lesson about removing the coating too early with that one, and I glued my thumb to it. So take that coating off, make sure there's nothing stuck to it. Isn't that pretty? Can you see how pretty that is? That's our white glitter acrylic, which is also sublimatable. Both sides. This side is just a flat white. Well, I will take this off just so I can show you. Yes, even we have trouble getting it started. There we go. So, as you can see, it's just a plain white on the other side, but that side also sublimates. And there we have the glitter side. And then take the snowflake, and you want to be a little gentle with this. It's not super fragile, but it's a little more fragile than a solid piece. And same thing, get that started. And you need to make sure you get all of it off, because this is the part that's going to glue to the base. And since there's so much lasering on this, you can see where all the soot lands, so it does make it easier to see where the coating's still on there. This here is the hardest part of this project. I was really excited about designing these because I am a resin addict, and I want to do you know, kind of like stained glass, where I'm going to fill these in with glitter, colored glitter with UV resin. I will probably do a video on that another day. There we go. So all that is cleaned off. And now I'm just going to apply a few dabs of glue. Whatever glue you use, just make sure that it is for plastic, because contrary to popular belief, not everything works with plastic. So regular super glue does not. It has to be super glue made for plastic. And it'll say on there what it bonds with. This is overkill. It's gonna stay on. case I decide I want to fill this with resin also. I want to make sure all of it is sealed. And before I glue my fingers, as you do, it's really just a very small amount. I don't know if you can see that. I know it looks like I'm squeezing it everywhere, but I'm not. Put the lid back on and line it up. I did leave the protective coating on this side because I don't want to glue my fingers to it when I push down. Hang on, something's on there. Now I'm going to push it down, give it about 30 seconds. And there we are. Now we're going to peel the coating off this side. Oh shoot, I forgot to be talking. I'm so sorry. My tongue's out. I'm concentrating. That's what happens. Here we go. Can you see that? You can't see that. I am so sorry the camera just does not show how pretty this is. It is. I love it. I love it. I love it. So they're available on our website now. We've got a snowflake. We have a single layer snowflake also that you can add a monogram to in vinyl. We have 2 butterflies, the side view butterfly and front view butterfly. This was our test cut, so it's in white on this, but it actually comes, the butterfly outline is black, and then you can choose your base. There are mushrooms, and they're so cute, and 2 bumblebee options on a honeycomb. So I hope you guys check them out and have fun with them, and then share what you make. Show us pictures. Get creative. Have a great night. Oh, and happy birthday, Julie. Bye.